and welcome back to Mill Supplies. Today we're going to discuss DeWalt grinders, the small and the medium body, the 4.5 all the way up to the 6-inch. DeWalt is making an interesting change in the way their flange nuts are attached the wheels to the grinder itself. As you can see, these two holes right here, it takes a spanner wrench, and that's what they've used for years. What they are changing everything to from the 4.5 all the way up to the 6-inch is they're using a hex key or an Allen wrench. And that's how they're going to take the wheels on and off the grinders with. The only model that is not affected by this is the DW831. Here's a video to further explain from DeWalt. Remember, watch us. Go to our website, www.millsupplies.com, like us on Facebook, and subscribe. Thank you, and make it a great day.